This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. If you're in the market for a really sharp mid-size truck, look no further than this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab Z71. This thing is absolutely beautiful, just like new, low miles, loaded with great equipment. Round back corner assist steps, factory tow package, rear park assist sensors, locking tailgate handle, backup camera. Really nice color keyed tonneau cover, easy down tailgate, factory bed liner, Z71 decals on the bedside, 17-inch alloy wheels, Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual USB ports and a 12-volt outlet to charge their devices. It's sand dune metallic with jet black interior, tinted windows, contrasting black door handles and mirror caps, factory step bars, LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, part of your Z71 package. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, all-weather mats throughout, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, automatic headlights, fog light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, cruise, heated steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Only 36,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Incredible Bose sound system. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, backup camera, automatic climate control, tow haul mode, traction control, cargo lights, downhill assist, heated seats, driver and passenger, USB ports, auxiliary audio jack, 12-volt outlet, console shifter, factory wireless inductive cell phone charging, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and OnStar located in your auto dimming rear view mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab Z71, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.